Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing COREUM and Sologenic. The anticipation is electrifying. It is going to be an interesting video, so do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, do hit the notification bell and subscribe. And you can also support the channel by becoming a patron if you want to see the channel rolling for years to come. Anyway, so do check that out. Regardless, let us look at the prices of both Sologenic and COREUM at the time of the recording, guys. So Sologenic is down 0.97% for the day. The price is 0.1602. If we look at the monthly chart, guys, it is up 13.66% for the month. The market cap is approximately $64 million, 100, almost 100% in circulation, fully diluted market cap $64 million. So yeah, let us look at the all-time high charts, all-time chart, guys. Check this out. It is in the bottom almost. A lot of projects have pumped a lot significantly, but the Sologenic is still there is a still chance to get in Sologenic in the initial phases, guys, because the all-time low, I think, let me show you 0.09, yeah, 0.05448, but it was 2 years ago. If you look at the early lows, guys, let me show you guys. So it went as low as 0.08698, but still 0.1639, guys, for what Sologenic aims to do. It is disrupting trillions, guys, and $64 million market cap, I think, is a good shot. But obviously not financial advice. You guys can do your own due diligence and research, as Sologenic aims to tokenize shares, stocks, ETFs, and all that kind of stuff. Trillions of dollars, guys. It was a platform, and COREUM is a layer one, basically. It was basically built initially to enhance the use case of Sologenic. Sologenic was initially an XRPL project, but now COREUM is an integral part of what it is doing. $79 million market cap, fully diluted market cap, $112 million, guys. It is a layer one, ISO 20022 compatible. Look at this. The chart basically is testing these crucial support levels over here of October 2022, November 2022. So yeah, I think these are crucial levels. It went down since that time. It came up and broke these through this resistance line, and now, in my opinion, this range has become a significant support level. So an entry here can is a safe bet, but obviously not financial advice. Anything can happen in crypto. It might break it. So you guys know the drill. Only invest what you can afford to lose. So yeah, guys, check this out. 49.11 million market cap. Anyways, so what Sologenic and COREUM aim to do, guys, it is extremely big for the upcoming times. Real world use case, real world utility. Let me show you a post over here, guys. COREUM, the anticipation is electrifying. So, guys, this was a thread by Bob Rass, a really interesting thread, guys. Let me share with you guys. This is from December 29th, 2023. So, guys, this is recent. Reflecting on 2023, it's been an incredible year for the teams at Real Sologenic and COREUM Official. Despite the crypto winter, we remained steadfast, continuously building and achieving great things. We've expanded our team size by almost 35% and even more growth in 2024. So, guys, like I have told you before in the channel, that I really like the projects that continuously build in crypto winters, crypto bear markets, guys, because these are the projects that are persistent. Most of the projects, guys, they vanish in these crypto winters and the bear market. There are rarely projects that survive, the good projects that are here for the long haul. Especially those that have real use case, that are building constantly, persistently, guys. Most of the projects that are thrive, that build in these bear markets and survive. So this is not the rule, the only rule, but yeah, most of the projects, guys, the good ones. So yeah, this is second. The outlook for 2024, we're gearing up for a busy yet exciting year, bringing to life many developments we've been working on for the past 1 to 2 years. The anticipation is electrifying. So guys, uh, in my opinion, the good news also should be left for the bull run when you've been building constantly and you have absorbed all the heat from the market. And then suddenly, when the bull comes and you announce and bombard the good news, guys, that tends to have a really good impact on the on price, on the community sentiments, on investors, and all of that stuff, guys. Starting with Koreum, we're releasing an on-chain demo showcasing how two regulated financial entities can transfer funds on the Corium chain in compliance with ISO 20022, guys. Check this out now. They would have an on-chain demo when how two regulated financial entities would be able to transfer funds on chain, guys. So they would be having that demo. This is significant. This is not small. This isn't just another update. It is a significant step towards the goal of institutional mass adoption. We've talked about mass adoption, institutional interest, and all that sort of stuff, guys. But now that this is that practical form, these are the steps, the baby steps, but these are significant in the long haul. Remember when Neil Armstrong said that this is just a step for man, but a step for humanity, I guess. So, huge step for mankind, yeah. So, this is that sort of thing. It's a small step for a project, but a big step for humanity, guys. So in terms of finance, yeah, so in terms of the entire industry, in terms of where finance is going, that sort of thing, you can relate with what I'm trying to tell you. This will be followed by a pilot program allowing two participating financial institutions to use the technology for cross-border fund transfers. Think of it as Swift but supercharged, super ledger. Awesome. Corium is also finalizing major partnerships, including institutional custodial and enterprise wallet systems to further enhance the adoption of the technology. The launch of Pulsara_IO and VELP DeFi Hub and other upcoming DAO protocols open doors for numerous new DeFi projects to build on Corium, issue tokens, and enable trading and yield earning opportunities for their community members. We're collaborating with top universities in the US and Canada to advance blockchain education and train the next generation of Corium developers. This long term commitment will extend to other countries in the future. Throughout the year, Corium engineering team will continue to develop and release more updates to the chain. Also, exciting exchange listings for both Sologenic and Corium are on the way. So what about Sologenic, guys? Moving to Sologenic. 2024 promises to be a groundbreaking year. We're finalizing some amazing partnerships and aiming to launch the tokenized stocks and ETFs trading gateway. So, guys, I'll stress this phrase, aiming to launch the tokenized stocks and ETFs trading gateway. This can be huge, guys. This can be huge for Sologenic, which is only $64 million market cap at the moment, guys. So this can be huge. You guys know that ETFs, what the entire bullish news in terms of ETFs and tokenization of stocks. You guys know the worth of stocks in real time. So tokenization of those stocks it can be huge, guys. This follows the acquisition of a broker dealer firm now in the final stages of due diligence. The team is upgrading the technology to introduce a non-custodial system allowing users to securely hold their assets, including USDC and tokenized stocks and private wallets. This ensures greater transparency and safety for both individual users and institutional clients. That is awesome. Here's to a year of amazing achievements and breakthroughs. Happy New Year 2024. Let's make it unforgettable. So, guys, what do you think? What do you think would be the prices of Corium and Sologenic come end of 2024? As according to Bob Ross, there are going to be a lot of catalysts to appreciate the price as well as further developments, guys. What do you think about that? because the sentiment is truly turning for Sologenic and COREUM. I'm currently adding more Solo to my portfolio right now because the trading volume is close to non-existent. Look at what happened to SHX, WTK, and Songbird. Once they start to gain volume, sideliners will be left in the dust. This from Moon Commander. COREUM is destined for greatness. This is a tactical analysis, the trade lines. Check this out. This range, the supports. So yeah, COREUM, after a week of accumulation, there is good chance we see new highs if it breaks the small resistance at 0.22. Our green baby is getting ready, so technicals are there. COREUM and LCX gonna be biggest movers in 2024. We discussed both of these projects on this channel. COREUM follow-up after covering this multiple times by now. I still maintain a bullish stance after the massive rally. Flipping that yellow resistance level after a 196-day period of boring sideways was a great milestone. 1 million solo burn, guys. 1 million current circulating supply. Check this out. So that is awesome. The burns always are good for a project. It basically makes the project, the tokens more scarce. But if it is backed by utility and use case as well, coiling up nicely on the daily time frame with a potential break during the first few days of January, I vote it will explode higher. So guys, what do you think about Sologenic and COREUM? Will COREUM and Sologenic will it make 2024 unforgettable or not? So do hit the comment box below what you guys think about Sologenic and COREUM, the updates. So guys, that was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems, then do subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And guys, if you want to support the channel, then you guys can also become a patron and connect on a deeper level. Do check that out as well. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.